Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for your bookings in the AirAsia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the check-in button at the bottom of the page. And for your booking information, you will need a booking number, so type that in. And you have to give your first name or surname. And once you typed in them, click on the search button, and the application will show the results of your booking information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.